We had discussed in previous class. A triangle is a closed figure which has three lines, right? Three sides, right? It is the three lines that are intersecting together. It's a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines, which is called as a triangle, right? So tri means three. Triangles has three sides, three angles, three vertices, right?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So we had learned what is a vertex, and what is a side, and what is an angle, right? What is a vertex? It is nothing but a point on the triangle, right? And what about the side? AC is a side here, right? Side AC is a side. And what about the angles, beta? What are the angles here? Angle A, angle B, and angle C were the angles, right? Okay, this we had discussed in the previous class. Okay, so we have we'll just quickly discuss the congruency. What is congruency? What does congruency mean? It is nothing but equal in shape, equal in size, correct? Equal in angles, correct? The two figures that have to be equal in shape, size, and angles. So what does congruency mean? It is equal in all respects. The figure should have same shape, same sizes, same angles, and everything, right? Everything should be same. That is nothing but congruency. So which are the congruent figures in this LIBA, which we had detected last time? Which is the congruent figures in this?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Yes, excellent. Are you with your laptop or with your phone, beta?
Phone.
Okay, you can write it on the screen if you want. You can write it with your finger, okay? Okay, you can write it on the screen. Okay, alhamdulillah. So let's quickly see the congruency of triangles. What is the congruency of triangles? The rule for the congruency of triangles states that two triangles are said to be congruent if they are exact copies of each other, right? They should be exact copies of each other, and when they are superimposed on each other, they should exactly cover each other, okay? When they're superimposed का मतलब क्या होता है? When they're imposed on each other, एक के ऊपर एक जब रखोगे आप इसको और इसको, तो आपको same figure दिखना चाहिए, okay? If you turn this triangle, ये triangle है आपके पास, and if you have an inverted triangle, if you superimpose this and this, then you should get the same triangle, okay? Then that triangle is known as, both triangles are known as congruent, right? Congruent. Come on, tell me what is congruency, Aisha? Laiba? Congruency का मतलब क्या होता है?
Should be same. Are exact same.
Exact same in terms of shape, in terms of sizes, in terms of everything. They should be same, right? In other words, two triangles are congruent if the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the sides and angles of the other triangle. That's all, okay? Okay, so okay, these are the two triangles here. So are these two triangles congruent, Laiba? Yes. Why is it so? Angle D is equal to angle A, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, right? And what about sides? We should also see the sides, right? First we have to check the angles. Then what we have to see is sides, right? Whether sides and angles are similar or not. If both are same, then we call it a congruent triangle. Now quickly tell me which are the congruent triangles in this. Come on, see this triangle and this triangle. There are two triangles here, the triangle number 1 and triangle number 2. Come on, say whether these two triangles are congruent to each other or not. We have to check the angle, the first angle, angle A. Come on, tell me which is similar to angle A. Which angle here is similar to angle A? Angle B, excellent. Which angle is similar to angle C?
Angle F.
Angle F, excellent. Which angle is similar to angle B? It is angle
E.
Now if we superimpose this on this, अगर इसके ऊपर ये रखोगे तो ये मिल जाएगा हमें, correct? This will get, right? So these both triangles, when they are superimposed on each other, then we'll get the same triangle, right? Same shape, right, Rita? So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. How do you write congruency? Equal, you have to write equal to and a tilde on the above equal to sign, right? This is the congruency symbol, correct? A triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, okay? Alhamdulillah. Okay, beta. Come on, tell me which was okay, we had discussed in previous class. I have the class recording for the previous class, okay? So you can quickly go through that, okay? We had discussed the previous one in previous class, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. So you remember what was the uses for the congruency of the triangles? Where was it used? In the identical buildings, in the geometrical structures that to construct whatever, for example, for the designs and all, right?
Yes.
Yes, in the architecture and all, this congruency was used, correct? For the carpets, for the
Yeah.
windows and all, the congruency principle was used. So there are five criterias for the congruency of triangles. Which are these five criterias?
Um,
One is the yes, yes postulate, A postulate, AAS postulate, yes, SS postulate, and RHS postulate. Okay, what is yes, AS? It is side, angle, side. One side and one angle and one side on the corresponding triangles should be equal. Okay, so two sides and one angle should be equal to make a SES postulate work. Correct?
yes.
If you have two sides equal and one angle equal, then according to the SAS postulate, you can write the two triangles are congruent to each other. Correct? We had
Yes.
discussed in previous class. Correct? Now tell me, what is ASA postulate? Quickly tell me, Olaiba, what is ASA postulate?
Angle, side angle.
Okay, one angle, one side, and one angle should be
Equal.
to make two triangles congruent. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, on the corresponding two triangles, right? On the corresponding two triangles, one angle, one side, and another angle should be equal to make it a congruent. Okay, congruency rule. So we also had discussed about congruent parts, CPCT, right? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? What is CPCT? When you prove the congruency through these two postulates, the other lines, for example, if you prove that this triangle and this triangle have same side, same angle, and same side, okay, same side, same angle, same side, then you'll prove it by SAS postulate, right? After you solve it by SAS postulate, you can apply CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? You can prove that other sides are also equal and other angles are also equal, right? Okay, Alhamdulillah. We had discussed all of these in previous class. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. So we'll quickly see SCS postulate. What is SCS postulate, beta? Two triangles are congruent if two sides and one angle of the triangle are equal, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so here, what is it, beta? One angle, two sides, correct? It is yes, A, yes. One angle, two sides, correct?
Yes.
So if you prove that these both triangles are congruent, for example, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. If you prove this both are congruent, okay, then what comes into picture, beta? CPCT. What is CPCT? Congruent, corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? Other parts are also equal now. Which are the other parts you can mention, Laiba?
CB and RQ.
Yes, excellent. CB and RQ. And which are the corresponding angles that you can mention that they are congruent?
Angle C and angle R.
Excellent. Angle C and angle R. Then angle B and
angle Q.
Excellent. So you have understood this principle. Alhamdulillah. So Alhamdulillah, we are discussed till here. This was also complete. We have discussed about the example problems as well. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. We had discussed about ASA postulate as well. One angle, one side, and one angle, right? Two triangles are congruent if two angles and one side are equal, right? To the corresponding two angles and one side, right? So this is ASA postulate, two angles and one side should be equal to two angles and one side on the corresponding triangle, correct? So when you prove this and this are congruent, then what else comes into picture? CPCT comes into picture, right? After proving that this triangle and this triangle are congruent, you can quickly apply CPCT. What does CPCT means? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay? Alhamdulillah. You can take down the points whichever we had mentioned, right? Do you remember we had discussed about vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. This and this are vertically opposite angles. Now tell me which are the alternate opposite angles here, beta?
What?
Alternate opposite angles. Alternate interior opposite angles. We had discussed in previous class. If CD and AB are parallel to each other, then the alternate interior opposite angles are equal. You remember we had discussed in previous class. Yes. CDA, angle CDA and angle OAD are equal. Z shape का हमने पढ़ा था. This angle and this angle will be equal. If this is in this way, then this angle and this angle are equal. And one more thing we had discussed. If you write X, then this angle and this angle are equal. Vertically opposite angles. These are called as vertically opposite angles. And in Z shape, what we call? We call it an alternate interior opposite angles, correct?
Yes.
Okay, these and all concepts are used while you are solving the exercise problems now. Okay, then we have studied ASA postulate, AAS postulate. ASA and AAS postulate are same, correct? But there's just one difference here. The included side here they have added before in AAS postulate, sorry, ASA postulate, ASA postulate में ये angle और ये side लिखा गया था, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now in AAS postulate there is no including angle. Yeah, this is not about including side, it is excluding side. Okay, this angle and a side that is not under this angles in AS postulate. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is AS postulate? AS stands for angle side when two angles and non-included side. Okay, which is it is not included side, correct?
Yes.
If this angle and this angle are given as equal, then if this side comes into picture, then we call it as included side, right? Why is it
Yes.
included side beta? Because वही एंगल की जगह, दो एंगल्स की जगह वहीं पे उन्होंने साइड दिया हुआ है, तो इसको आप ASA postulate से प्रूव कर सकते हो. ओके,
Yes.
but if you have this side is not given and the opposite side is given to this, non-included side is given, then you can use AS postulate. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, there's no big difference in ASA and AS, correct? AAS और ASA में सिर्फ एक difference है कि included side and non-included side, that's all. Included side and non-included side. AAS का मतलब होता है angle side, ASA का मतलब भी होता है angle side and angle. So here you need two angles and one side. Here you need two angles in one side itself. लेकिन यहाँ पे included side you'll see, here you'll see non-included side. Okay, in AS postulate you have non-included side, that's all. Okay,
Yes.
both are same, you don't have to get confused. Okay, chalo. Okay, we'll quickly see the exercise problems on this one. Okay, we had studied till here in the previous class, I remember it. Okay, now we'll see the exercise problems. Okay, are you with your book, beta?
Yes.
Do you have your notes book or a textbook or a rough book? What do you have with you?
I have all three of them.
You have
I have all three of them.
you have notebook as well?
Yes.
Okay, kindly take a rough book, beta.
Yeah, I have my documents.
Oh, you have a rough book. Okay, take a pen with you, along with you. Okay, come on, read this problem for me. Laiba, read this problem for me, beta.
In quadrilateral.
Okay, this is a quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral, Laiba? A quadrilateral means a quadrilateral means any figure that has four sides. Okay, any figure that has four sides is called as a quadrilateral. Okay, that's all. What's the definition of quadrilateral? Quad का मतलब होता है चार. Okay.
Yes.
Any figure that has four sides is as a quadrilateral. Give me some examples for quadrilaterals, beta. A square is a quadrilateral, right?
Yes.
A rectangle is a quadrilateral, right?
Yes.
A rhombus is a quadrilateral. A trapezium is a quadrilateral, correct?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. तो समझ में आ गया quadrilateral का मतलब क्या होता है. So यहाँ हम लोगों ने क्वेश्चन में पूछा है ACBD is a quadrilateral and here they have told you as AC is equal to AD. Okay, पहले हम लिखते हैं what is given, correct? First what we write in any problem, we write what is given, correct? Laiba,
Yes.
everything all right at your end?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now tell me what's given. What's given here, beta? AB bisects angle A. Bisects का मतलब क्या होता है? What did I say about bisect? What does bisect mean? Exactly?
Opposite each other.
नहीं बेटा, bisect का मतलब होता है exactly dividing it into two halves. Bisect का मतलब होता है exactly dividing it into two halves. तो यहाँ उन्होंने बोला है AB bisects angle A. You have to write this small things in your rough book or anywhere. Okay? If you have your tuition book, please write it. Okay? Bisect का मतलब होता है it divides exactly the angle or the side in two equal halves. Okay? So यहाँ AB bisects angle A. Angle A यहाँ पे है, correct? Where is angle A here, Laiba? It's here, right? Bisects angle A का मतलब क्या होता है? It is correctly dividing this angle A into two halves, correct?
Yes.
So angle CAB is equal to BAD now. What is given now? Angle CAB is equal to angle BAD. ये एक हो गया, okay? Next what we have? Next, they have given that show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. What can you say about BC and BD? Okay, now we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. How will you show, Laiba? What do we have? AC is equal to AD, correct? Where is AC? This is AC, correct? This is equal to AD. We have got one side, right, Laiba?
Yes.
Hello? Can you hear me better?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then we have got one angle, correct? One side, one angle. What more do we need? We need one more side, right?
Yes.
Now tell me which side you can consider from this quadrilateral. Which side you can consider from this quadrilateral? This side, right? This is common side. In this triangle and in this triangle, both sides are AB, right? AB is equal to AB.
Yes.
Correct, Laiba?
Yes.
So what do we have? This is a common side, right? So we have got two sides and one angle. Correct, Rita?
Yes.
So which postulate do you apply here, Laiba? Yes. Which postulate do we apply, beta? Yes, A? Yes, A? Yes, postulate. Why is it SES? Side, angle, and side, right? Side, angle, side postulate you'll apply. And then what do you prove here, Laiba? That angle, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle. Which one, beta?
ABD.
ABD. Excellent. Understood? Okay. Then they have told you, what can you say about BC and BD? What can you say about them, beta?
BC and BD are equal because of
Yes. Why are they equal, beta? Why are they equal? Because they are CPCT. Very good. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles, right? Beta? Oh, daddy ke paas, okay? Okay. Okay, Alhamdulillah. It's a CPCT, okay? Congruent corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, Alhamdulillah. We'll quickly see another problem now. What is it here, beta? Laiba, read this question for me.
ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA.
Okay, quickly write it down on the screen, whatever they have given, write it down on the screen. Can you write it? Can you write it, beta?
It's actually hard.
Okay, no problem. Okay, it's hard to write. Okay, you just can mention on the diagram what is given. Okay. AD equals BC. AD equals BC. Where is it, beta? It is this one, right? They have already given AD equals BC. Then what else is given, beta?
Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA.
Angle DAB equals angle CBA. Okay, they have given these two angles now. Then prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Now what you have, just leave everything behind and just consider triangle ABD and triangle BAC. Okay, where is triangle ABD? This triangle, right? ABD. Correct, beta?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, another triangle is triangle BAC. Okay, these two triangles. How can you prove it congruent, Aisha? Laiba. So we just have to consider what's given now. Okay, what's given is AD is equal to BC, correct?
Yes.
One thing is given. The another thing they have given here is this angle BAD, correct? Angle BAD and angle ABC are equal. Two things are already given, correct? Angle A and angle B are equal. Correct? Correct, Laiba? So what we have here? One side, one angle we have already, right? Now what more side is left? What is left now? What you should get now? Beta, one side and one angle is over. What you need is one more side, right? Correct?
Yes.
Laiba, we need one more side, right? So in these two triangles, just consider this triangle and this triangle, which is an equal side here, Laiba? This one, right? This one, this one, this one. Can you see this one? AB?
Yes.
It is same for both the triangles, correct?
Yes.
For this triangle and another triangle, AB is equal, right? So, and side AB is equal to AB. Why? Because they are common for both triangles, correct?
Yes.
So we have side, angle, and a side. So from yes, AS postulate, what you can prove, Liba?
Um,
Triangle
ABD is congruent to triangle BAC.
BSC. That's all. That's over, right? So we have proved one of the questions. The second question they have given is BD is equal to this AC. Now prove that BD is equal to AC. How can you prove, Liba? Where is BD? It's BD here. And AC. How can you prove? CPCT. Excellent. What does CPCT mean? You have to write. What is CPCT? They are corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Very good. AC and BD and AC are equal because they are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. And this is equal to this. Okay, alhamdulillah. This is proven. Okay. Now next they have questioned you. Say that angle ABD and BAC are equal. Where is ABD? Where is ABD, beta? This is ABD, correct? And BAC. Where is BAC, beta? This one. BAC. How can you prove this and this equal, beta? Is it a congruent part?
We'll write angle.
Is it a congruent part? Angle ABD and ABC and BAC. Yes, right? They are congruent parts.
Yes.
देखो यहाँ पे if you draw this triangle and this triangle, what we had to prove was this both triangles are equal, correct? A, B, B, C. यहाँ पे sides बताओ. This side and this side are equal, correct? BC and AD. Which is more side, beta? AB is another side, correct? AB is equal to AB. That's the word. Then AC is equal to, what is AC equal to, beta?
BD.
BD. Excellent. Excellent. Now tell me the angles tell me the angles. They have told you already that angle A is equal to angle B. This one is proven from the two triangles, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Now we had proven that these both are congruent. The next question they have asked is angle ABD and BAC. What is angle ABD and BAC? ABD, ABD and BAC. Is it equal or not? Yes, correct. Why is it equal? Why is it equal? It's again the congruent part, but it is again the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle, okay?
Yes.
ABD, this is one angle, right? ABD, okay? And where is BAC? This is another angle. Correct. These both are equal, right? Okay, alhamdulillah. Can you mention me which is another angle that is equal now?
AD and BC.
Angle D and angle C. Yes, understood now. So you have understood this correctly. Correct. Alhamdulillah. समझ में आ गया. Okay. So we'll see the next problem. Okay, we have two AD and BC. Okay, AD है हमारे पास और हमारे पास BC है. Next उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में पूछा है they are equal perpendiculars to a line segment. Perpendiculars का मतलब क्या होता है? What is perpendicular बेटा? Perpendicular मतलब they are 90 degree to each other. Okay, perpendicular is drawn if एक line के ऊपर perpendicular is drawn अगर उन्होंने बताया तो it is nothing but 90 degree angle create कर रहा है वो. Okay.
Yes.
ओके यहाँ उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में बताया है कि AD एंड BC आर इक्वल परपेंडिकुलर्स टू लाइन सेगमेंट AB. तो कहाँ पे है? देयर इज एन AB हियर. ओके, ये लाइन AB है. यहाँ पे उन्होंने स्ट्रेट खड़ाया है 90 डिग्री लाइन. व्हाट व्हिच इज द 90 डिग्री लाइन? AD एंड BC, करेक्ट? सो नाउ एंगल A and angle B are equal, correct? They are equal to what, beta? They are equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. Why? Because देखो यहाँ पे can you not see CBO पे यहाँ पे इन्होंने ऐसा डाला है. Whenever they want to mention that it is perpendicular, they write it in this way, right? You know it, right? इस तरह लिखते हैं. Perpendicular का symbol. Usually angles का symbol हम कैसे लिखते हैं? इस तरह. Correct?
Yes.
The angle symbol is written in this way. It is a curved. Okay? But whenever they write 90 degree angle, they write it in this form. Correct, beta?
Yes.
So this is a 90 degree. Right? Now they have told you in the question that angle, there is a line called AB and उसके ऊपर उन्होंने BC and AD को खड़ाया है and they both are 90 degree and they both are equal. Okay, it is already given. What is given now here is BC is equal to AD. Correct, beta?
Yes.
Correct. Then what else they have given here?
Yes.
Angle CBO is equal to angle OAD. What is it equal to?
90 degree.
90 degree. Excellent. Because they have told you that they are perpendicular to each other. So you have got one side, correct? And then you have got another angle. Now what do you need, beta? You need just one other side now, correct?
Yes.
Come on. How can you prove another side from this? Another side from this. Come on. How can you prove it? Come on. Tell me, how can you prove another side from this?
O is the common side.
Okay, what else they have given is just this much. A and BC are equal perpendiculars, correct? Equal perpendiculars to a line.
OC and OD.
So that CD bisects the AB. Okay, the proof they have told you is show that CD bisects AB. यहाँ पे हमें तुम्हें दिखाना है bisects का मतलब what I have told you? Equal, right?
Yes.
ये जो line CD है, okay? What you have to prove is show that CD bisects AB. Bisects का मतलब होता है equally half बनाते हैं ये दो. You have to prove that this and this make an equal half. But before proving both of this, what we have in the already given is, ये और ये perpendicular है. If this both are perpendicular, then are they parallel? Yes, right?
Yes.
Yes, these both are parallel to each other. What more we have is we can adopt alternate angles here, right? What did I say about alternate angles, Laiba? Do you remember what I have told you about alternate angles? What is an alternate opposite angle, beta? If this is a Z shape, then which and which angle is equal?
Angle D and...
Yes, excellent. Angle D and angle C are equal now. Okay, so we can write angle D is equal to angle C, correct? If this is equal to this because of alternate interior opposite angles, as BC and this have the same parallel thing. So we can prove it from ASA postulate. Is it ASA postulate? Because we have two angles and one side, correct? From ASA postulate, we can prove that this and this triangle is congruent to each other, correct?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. So this and this are congruent to each other. When these are congruent to each other, what else comes into picture now, beta? CPCT, right? What is CPCT? What is CPCT, Laiba?
Corresponding parts of congruent triangle.
Yes, alhamdulillah. I can write corresponding parts of congruent triangles. This and this are equal, right? This angle and this angle becomes equal. You can also prove that they are vertically opposite angles. Correct? You could have also written this one. Vertically opposite angles are equal instead of alternate angles, right? Okay, this and this angle is equal. Then what about sides, beta? Angle side DO is equal to side OC, right? Then what else sides are remaining? OA is equal to OB. Okay, when you have all these sides equal, this and this side is equal, this side and this side is equal, and this side and this side is equal, then you can mention that CD bisects AB. Bisect का मतलब क्या होता है? What does bisect means, Laiba? CD bisects AB का मतलब क्या होता है? ये perfectly half में divide कर रही है. CD की line AB की line को perfect halves में divide कर रही है. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
CD bisects AB का मतलब क्या हुआ? That this line CD has divided line AB into two equal halves. That's all. Okay? Alhamdulillah. So we'll quickly see the next problem. Okay, we have a problem here. Come on, read it for me. Read it for me, Laiba.
L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q.
पहले उन्होंने L and M lines लिया है, correct? Then they have taken two other lines. One is P line and one is Q line, correct? Okay. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Just what we have to prove is triangle ABC, this triangle and triangle CDA. These two triangles are congruent. That's all. How we I'll prove, Laiba, how will prove it? पहले हमारे पास ये triangle है, correct? ACD and triangle AFC. Okay. अब यहाँ पे common side कौन सी है? AC equals AC, correct beta?
Yes.
Why is it AC equals AC? Because Laiba, can you hear me?
Yes.
AC equal to AC. Why? Because it's common in both of the triangles, correct?
Yes. Common.
Yes. Okay. This is common side which is AC. AC एक side तो हो गया हमारे पास. अब हमारे पास दो angles चाहिए या दो sides चाहिए. Whatever we want, let's prove that. Okay. Okay. They have told you that AD is parallel to BM. You know what I have told? If two lines are parallel to each other, okay. You remember this? If there is a line that is drawn in the Z shape, then alternate opposite angles are
Equal.
equal. Okay, alhamdulillah. Now tell me which is alternate opposite angles here, Laiba? This one is a triangle. This one is a triangle. Now show me where is the Z shape here? There is Z shape here, right?
Yes.
This one is a Z. Correct? A, D, A, C, B. Correct? Now where are the interior opposite angles here, beta? Alternate interior opposite angles. Angle A and angle C. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So what we have found out from here is one thing is AC is equal to AC. एक side हमने prove कर लिया. And next हमने angle एक prove कर लिया. Interior opposite angles. Alternate interior angles इसको बोलते हैं. Okay. बताओ कौन सा? Angle DAC and angle ACB. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. एक angle हो गया. अब next what we want is another thing. हमें एक और चीज कौन सी मिल सकती है बेटा यहाँ से? What can you get from this? AC and CA हो गया. What more can you get from this? Is there another Z here? Another Z here? Yes. यहाँ देखो. BA CD. Correct? There's another Z here, right?
Yes.
Which one is it, beta? यहाँ पे BA CD. Correct?
Yes.
Now tell me which is the alternate interior opposite angles here.
Angle A and angle C.
Angle A here and angle C here. Excellent. Okay. तब हमने क्या प्रूव किया था यहाँ पे एक, right? This angle and correct?
Yes.
This angle and this angle. So what we have now is because of which postulate is comes into picture now, beta? One side, one angle, and one angle. Two angles we have proven equal, right? Proved it equal. And one side. Which postulate comes into picture now, Laiba?
Yes.
A, S. Correct?
Yes.
ASA postulate. From ASA postulate, what we can prove now? What is the proof now, beta? That triangle.
ABC.
Come on, tell me. ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Okay, now quickly show me which are these sides equal. You can write it with your finger only now on the diagram. What did we use to prove this? Come on, Laiba. What did we use to prove this? AC, right?
Yes.
Side AC. पहले हमने ये लिया था, correct? Which is the second thing which we had taken?
AD.
Angle, right? Next angle. Z का एक angle हमने लिया था. This angle. Then which angle we had taken? Another angle here. This and
Angle C.
yes, excellent. So we had taken one side and two angles, correct? One side and two angles to prove that these both triangles are congruent to each other. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Isn't it easy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alhamdulillah. अब चलो, we'll see the next one. Line L is a bisector of an angle A. Okay. Line L कहाँ पे है? This line L. मैंने bisector के बारे में क्या बताया था? What does bisector mean, बेटा? Bisector का मतलब क्या होता है? It divides angle into two halves or side into two halves, correct? एक side पे अगर bisector लिखोगे तो ये और ये equal है, okay? Correct? और अगर एक angle पे आप bisector बनाओगे तो वो आपको two equal angles देगा, correct?
Yes.
करेक्ट लाइबा, ओके अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक फिगर है एंड दे हैव ड्रॉन अ बाइसेक्टर, दिस इज यल इज अ बाइसेक्टर, ओके, यल इज अ बाइसेक्टर व्हिच डिवाइड्स इट इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ्स। नाउ टेल मी व्हिच इज इक्वल हाफ हियर बेटा? एंगल BAP and angle BAQ. Excellent. This both angles are equal. Why? Because we have a bisector named L which has divided this angle into two equal halves. अगर ये angle total 40 डिग्री का होता तो equal halves मतलब ये 20 डिग्री, ये 20 डिग्री, करेक्ट? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Okay, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. They have given first thing as this and this angles are equal. दो angles उन्होंने equal बताया है. Next उन्होंने बताया कि there is a 90 degree here, correct? Okay, so हमारे पास they have given two things. The first thing that they have given is angle QAB is equal to what, Laiba? BAP, correct? Why is it equal, beta? Angle QAB is equal to angle BAP. Why is it equal, beta? Laiba, I cannot hear you.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. Come on, angle QAB.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Hello? Hello?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Now tell me quickly, tell me what they have mentioned here. Which angles are equal, beta? QAB and?
BAP.
Yes, first thing they have given is QAB is equal to angle BAP. Okay, because why is it because there is a bisector, right? इसका proof किस लिए हमने prove किया? Because there is a bisector that divides this angle into equal halves. तो हमें एक side मिल गया. Next they have given another angle here, right? What is another angle here, beta? Angle Q is equal to angle P. What is it equal to?
90 degree.
90 degree. Excellent. It is perpendiculars they have given already. Angle BP and BQ are perpendiculars. तो ये और ये equal हो गया. अब हमारे पास what is remaining? We have one side, one angle. We need one more side. How will you prove, Laiba? देखो ये दो triangles देखो आप, इसमें common क्या है? देखो side AB common है, right? Yes, excellent, excellent, excellent. AB is equal to AB. Why is it so, beta? Because you have to write. Okay, why is it? Because it is a common
side.
Excellent, alhamdulillah. So हमारे पास एक side हो गया, एक angle हो गया, एक side हो गया. So from which postulate will prove that they are congruent, beta?
SS.
SS postulate. Excellent. So what is it? Triangle. Which triangles, beta? Triangle APB and
AQB.
triangle AQB are congruent to each other. Alhamdulillah, we have proved one thing. Okay. Next one उन्होंने पूछा है BP is equal to BQ. कैसे prove करोगे आप BP is equal to BQ?
CPCT.
CPCT, excellent. यहाँ पे ये डाल दो, BQ is equal to BP and this one you can prove AQ is equal to AP, correct? और
Yes.
AB is equal to AB, that's all. हो गया. Next उन्होंने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा है, prove that B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. B is equidistant from the arms of angle A का मतलब क्या होता है? AB is equal to AB, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah, we have proved everything here. We'll go to the next question. Bakika, it's easy because we can show it from CPCT, right?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. We have 3 more questions now, okay? I'll quickly solve 2 of the questions and give you 1 question as a homework, okay? You have to solve it by your own. Okay, beta? Chalo, we will solve this question together. In the figure, AC is equal to A. इन्होंने एक figure बनाया है. इस figure में उन्होंने बताया है कि AC is equal to A. Where is AC now, beta? AC is here, right? AC is equal to AE. We do not know which they have considered, which triangles they have considered. We'll see it later, okay? Then they have given AB is equal to AD. Then given AB is equal to AD. Okay, alhamdulillah, this is done. Then they also given an angle. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Where is BAD? This angle and this angle are equal, okay? Now they have told you to show that BC is equal to DE. Where is BC and DE now? Laiba, where is BC? BC is here, correct? They have told you to prove DC and DE. Where is DE? This. Excellent. This 2 you have to prove. How will you prove it? You need to. Which triangles do you need to prove this? Which triangles you need to show as congruent to prove this? Come on. ABC, correct? एक triangle ABC लेना है हमें. ये triangle, correct? क्योंकि हमें BC चाहिए. ABC लेना है. Next कौन सा triangle लेना है? AD.
AD.
AED. यहाँ ये दो ट्राइंगल्स हमें लेना है. You should not consider anything else apart from this. अब हमें ट्राइंगल लेना है ABC and ADE. ये दो ट्राइंगल्स हम कंसिडर करेंगे. That's all. Okay? अब चलो ये दो
Yes.
ट्राइंगल्स में हमारे पास क्या है हमारे पास? What do you have in these two triangles? Where are these two triangles? ADE and ABC. अब ये दो ट्राइंगल्स में हमारे पास क्या है बेटा? What do we have in these two triangles?
Angle A is common.
We have at AD is equal to AB, correct? ये ट्रायंगल एंड ये ट्रायंगल में AD is equal to AD is equal to AB. Excellent. AB एक साइड हो गया. Okay. Now, do you have another side, beta? Another side? AD is equal to AB is proven. What more sides do you have? यहाँ पे एक और साइड दिया था उन्होंने. Correct? AE. Correct? What is A equal to, बेटा? ये ट्रायंगल देखो. ABC. Triangle ABC में देखो. AC. Correct? So this is another side. So we have two sides now. अब एंगल कैसे प्रूव करोगे आप? क्योंकि हमारे पास परफेक्टली एंगल उन्होंने बताया नहीं है. How will you prove the angle now? We have two sides now. Okay. Now we have to prove one angle. Two sides and one angle. अब देखो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है? What do you have? This triangle, right? In triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Correct बेटा?
Yes.
Okay, इसको कैसे करोगे आप? मतलब इसका देखो यहाँ पे आप angle BAD. Okay, where is an angle BAD? This one, correct?
Yes.
हाँ. Plus angle DAC. Angle DAC. ये आपको क्या देगा? Angle BAC देगा, correct? ये वाला एंगल देगा आपको.
Yes.
राइट बेटा? एंगल BAC. और ये ट्रायंगल में एंगल AED ट्रायंगल में हमारे पास एंगल EAC, करेक्ट? एंगल EAC एंड एंगल CAD हमको क्या देगा? What does it give you, beta? It gives you angle EAD, correct?
Yes.
EAD. I'll erase this. You'll understand it easily. देखो यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो फिगर्स हैं. एक ये वाला ट्रायंगल, करेक्ट बेटा? एक ये वाला ट्रायंगल एंड ये वाला ट्रायंगल. अब ये वाला ट्रायंगल के लिए हमें ये एंगल चाहिए, तो हम एंगल ए कैसे लिखते हैं इसके लिए? दिस प्लस दिस गिव्स यू दिस, राइट? अब ये वाला ट्रायंगल में एंगल ADE ट्रायंगल में ये दो लिखने के लिए we need this two, right? This one angle and this one angle. So it is written in this way. How we can write it as a single angle, beta? How we can write it as a single angle? Do you have any idea?
No.
No, you do not have any idea. Do you know angle? यहाँ पे उन्होंने देखा given है कि angle BAD is equal to EAC, correct?
Yes.
BAD is equal to EAC.
Yes.
कहाँ पे? Where is it? It is here, right? Angle BAC is equal to angle EAC. So what we can write here is, instead of this one, I'll clear all the screen out. I'll mention it to you now. Angle उन्होंने BAD equal to angle EAC दिया है. Okay. By if you'll add angle DAC to both of this, then what you will get? Angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Can you see? Where is DAC, beta? This one, right?
Yes.
Yes. If you add DAC for both of this, then you will get the angle to that triangle, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So angle BAD plus angle DAC equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Is it right now? So when you add BAD plus DAC, what you will get, beta? Where is BAD? ये एंगल देखो ना, पे BAD को अगर आप DAC ऐड करोगे तो मिलेगा क्या आपको? एंगल BAC, करेक्ट? क्या मिलेगा?
ABC of the AC.
यस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। तो यहाँ पे अगर ये ऐड करोगे तो अगर एंगल EAD को, अगर EAC को अगर आप CAD ऐड करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? अगेन यू विल गेट EAD, करेक्ट?
Yes.
तो हमने प्रूव कर दिया एंगल BAC इज इक्वल टू एंगल EAD। इज इट राइट?
Yes.
यस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हमने कैसे प्रूव किया? इट्स वेरी इजी। शायद आपको कॉम्प्लिकेटेड दिख रहा है। जस्ट देखो यहाँ पे एंगल BAD और एंगल ये ऐड करोगे तो इतना हो जाएगा, करेक्ट?
Yes.
And this angle, if you add it to this angle, then you'll get this angle, correct?
Yes.
So this both are equal because you had angle BAD equal to angle EAC, correct? मैं अब एक बार आपको लिख के बताती हूँ। BAD is equal to angle EAC, correct? This is given already, right? If you add angle DAC on both sides, DAC on both sides, what you'll get, बेटा? यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा BAC, यस BAC, एक्सेलेंट। अब यहाँ आपको मिलेगा EAD, करेक्ट? सो हमें एक और एंगल मिल गया। वी हैव गॉट वन एंगल, वी हैव गॉट टू साइड्स ऑलरेडी हमने प्रूव कर दिया था, राइट? वी हैड प्रूव्ड टू साइड्स ऑलरेडी, सो वी हैव yes postulate, correct? From yes postulate we have proven, what did we prove now, beta? That these two triangles are congruent, correct? If these two triangles are congruent, then BC and BD are equal. Where should we show BC and BD? This BC is equal to this D, correct? हमने ये ट्रायंगल लिया था, देन हमने ये ट्रायंगल लिया था, हमने इसमें दो साइड्स दिखाए, एक एंगल दिखाया, तो हमने इसे पोस्टुलेट से कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया। आफ्टर दैट CPCT की वजह से हमने BC is equal to D प्रूव किया, राइट? Yes, excellent. So we have the next problem 7. Let's do it together, or you want to take it as homework?
I'll take it as homework.
Okay, you have to solve the problem 7 and problem 8 as a homework. I'll send this to your cell phone. Inshallah, you have to solve problem 7 and problem 8 as homework, okay? Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, let's quickly see the next postulates. Some of the properties of triangles, okay? Let's quickly see the properties of the triangle, and tomorrow we'll solve the exercise problems, or we'll go quickly to the next topic. Okay, beta. What is an isosceles triangle? Do you know what is an isosceles triangle? Alaiba, do you know what is an isosceles triangle?
Two equal sides.
Yes, it has two equal sides. A triangle that has two equal sides is called as an isosceles triangle. Now tell me which is equal sides in this triangle, beta?
AB and AC.
AB and AC are equal sides. Yes. Come on. What is the definition of isosceles triangle? Read for me, please.
A triangle in which two sides are equal is called an isosceles triangle.
Yes, mashallah, alhamdulillah. A triangle that has two sides equal is called as an isosceles triangle. There are a few properties of an isosceles triangle. There is a first theorem which tells that the angles opposite to the equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. If you have a triangle here, isosceles triangle, okay? If you have equal sides here, then the angles opposite to the equal sides. Now, which is angle opposite to this side, beta? Okay, now tell me, which is an angle opposite to AC?
AB.
Yes, excellent. I asked you about angle. It is angle B, correct? Angle B is opposite to angle side AC. Now, which is an angle opposite to side AB? Side
BC.
AB. BC. Excellent. Sorry, angle C, okay? So angle B is equal to angle C from this theorem, okay? This theorem states that angle opposite to the equal sides is always equal, okay? The angle opposite to the equal sides of an opposite isosceles triangle is always equal. This is a theorem that you have to prove, okay? How we can prove this theorem is, come on, let's quickly see how we will prove this, okay? Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. What they have first taken is they've taken an isosceles triangle. Is this an isosceles triangle, beta? Aisha, is this Liba, is it an isosceles triangle?
Yes.
Yes. Where are the equal sides here?
AB
and AB are equal. Now what we have to prove is angle B is equal to angle C, correct?
Yes.
Yes. How will you prove angle B equals to angle C? First, they have drawn a perpendicular bisector. Okay, this is a extra thing that they have done to prove this theorem. Okay, how to prove this theorem is first they have drawn a perpendicular bisector. If they have drawn a perpendicular bisector, then what is equal here, beta? Angle BAD is equal to angle DAC, correct? एक एंगल मिल गया हमारे पास, एक साइड हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज AD, एक साइड ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है, so we have one side AD, correct? AD is equal to AD. Then which angle do you have? Angle BAD is equal to angle DAC. Why is it so? Because we have drawn a perpendicular bisector. Okay, two things is proven. The third thing is, which is the third thing, beta? Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Where is ABD? Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Why is it so? Because they are the corresponding angles of the congruent triangle, because we have proven it already, correct? Yes, AB is equal to AC first हमने लिया है, AB is equal to AC, it's already given, correct? So ये वाला एक side हो गया, correct? One side, and one angle is equal, correct? And one side AD, correct? So हमारे पास yes postulate से ये दो triangles have become congruent, correct? Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So now from CPCT, what we can prove? This one is over, this one is over, these two angles are over. Now what we can prove? This is 90 degree. This is also same. Now what we can prove is angle B is equal to angle C. What is it? CPCT, right? Corresponding angles of corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, understood, beta?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. That was the theorem number 1. It had to prove that they have proven it. Wasn't it easy? Wasn't that theorem easy?
Yes.
Yes. What? Just tell me what they have done. They have taken an isosceles triangle, correct? Isosceles triangle में दो sides equal होते हैं. यहाँ पे एक बीच में perpendicular bisector बनाया है उन्होंने, तो यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री इक्वल हो गया. ओके, perpendicular bisector का मतलब क्या होता है? इक्वल एंगल्स. तो ये दो एंगल इक्वल हुए, ये दो साइड्स इक्वल हुए, एंड देयर इज अनदर कॉमन साइड हियर, राइट? So from yes postulate, दो triangles congruent, so this and this angle are equal. That's all. खत्म, right? Theorem is proved. Converse of this theorem का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर आपके पास converse मतलब अगर आपके पास एक ट्रायंगल है और ये एंगल इक्वल है, ओके, इस ट्रायंगल में दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल आर इक्वल, देन यू कैन टेल दैट दिस टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. ओके, कन्वर्स इसको बोलते हैं. कन्वर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? इसका उल्टा लिखते हैं. ओके, इससे पहले का थ्योरम हमने क्या प्रूव किया था? टू साइड्स, इफ टू साइड्स आर इक्वल देन ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, करेक्ट? If you have opposite angles are equal, then two sides are equal in the converse of this theorem. Okay, okay. Now let's okay, we'll have the problems in next class. Okay, we'll see the